Focus on your breathing by taking deep, cleansing breaths in and out, in and out. With every breath, you relax a little more. The muscles in your face relax. Your neck and shoulders relax, releasing all the tension and cares of the day. Your arms relax. Your back and torso relax. All the cares of the day draining away harmlessly into the earth beneath your feet. Your hips and buttocks relax. Your thighs relax. All the cares of the day draining away. Your knees and lower legs relax. Finally, your ankles and feet relax. All tension and cares of the day drained away harmlessly into the earth beneath your feet. You are warm, you are comfortable, you are safe and ready for magic. Imagine yourself in a dimly lit room. There is an altar in front of you with a single candle burning upon it. Walk to the altar. When you approach the altar, it is set up for magic. It is set up for you to harness the energies of the universe to manifest anything that you want. Run your hand high above the flame of the candle. As you do so, a small flicker of the flame attaches to your dominant hand. There is no heat, there is no burn, there is no pain. This is a magical flame of pure energy. The flame slowly morphs into a small ball of energy in your hand. The small ball begins to grow. It grows into the size of a golf ball. You realize you have control over this energy. You begin imagining that ball of energy growing larger in the palm of your dominant hand. It grows to the size of a baseball. You concentrate on it more and it grows more. It is now the size of a grapefruit. You realize you can manipulate this energy with your mere thought. Direct the ball of energy up your arm, across your shoulder, into your opposite arm. And now you direct the ball of energy down into your other hand. Now direct the energy ball back back to your dominant hand. You realize you can harness this energy at any time you are in need of magic. Hold the ball out in your dominant hand and place your other hand above it. The ball of energy grows even bigger. As your hands move further apart, the ball of energy grows with it. From the size of a grapefruit to the size of a melon. From the size of a melon to the size of a large ball, beach ball. And it grows even further until your hands are as wide apart as your shoulders. Balance this ball of energy on your dominant hand. This is your projective hand. This is how you send energy out into the universe. Think about something that is a need or a desire of change that you want to manifest. Put those thoughts into the energy ball. Now, with your dominant hand, release that energy ball into the universe. Take your hand and literally throw that ball. Once it leaves your hand, you see it grow even larger. It's growing with the power of the intent that you set to it. Now, the ball bursts and scatters to the four corners. It goes back to the universe from where the energy came. Except this time, it has your intent, your magic, and your power embedded in it. Take a deep breath and direct any remaining energy down through your body, down to the earth beneath your feet, to ground any excess remaining energy. It is now time to return to your common senses. As I count back from 5, 5, you are now becoming more aware of your body. 4, you feel your body. 3, your thoughts are coming back to the mundane. 2, you are becoming more and more aware of your surroundings. And 1, you are now back in the present day at the present time. Whenever you are ready, you know that you can manifest this energy and direct it to help you accomplish the magic that you want to do. Now, open your eyes.